Okay, Satnam, welcome back. We're going to do another warm-up exercise for the lung. And in fact, we're going to do the same exercise that we did for the first lung set, but we'll do it with the breath held this time. So that means that you might move in and out of the posture 5-10 times on the inhale and then 5-10 times on the exhale. So it'll be like this. So, and if you can, if it's comfortable, you sit on your heels. And exhale, that would be 5. Let's go for 8 now. Breath held. And exhale. Okay, let's do for 10. Inhale very deep. And move. And exhale. And 10 again. Okay, last time, let's do 12. And exhale. Okay, so we're going to go into this meditation. It's called Gift of Life meditation. You put your right hand on top of your left hand and you bring this to the level of your throat and the arms stay parallel. And you're going to take your head back, so you put your chin up. You take your head back as far as is comfortable. You may feel the jaw locking or some discomfort in the neck, so be cautious. And you will feel a little uncomfortable in this position because it kind of feels unnatural. But there shouldn't be anything wrong for 3 minutes. In fact, you can build this meditation up to 31 minutes, but that is an advanced meditation, so you have to go gently at your own pace. And we're going to do a 4-step inhale. So you sniff a quarter, a half, 3/4, full breath for the inhale, and then the same, a quarter each time till you come to the bottom of the exhale. And as you make these breaths, you're going to repeat mentally to yourself, so, 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 S-O, so, 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 and then on the exhale, hung, 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 just like the rung of a ladder, but hung. Okay, so come like this and tilt the head back so you're, as much as possible, your forehead's up to the sky. And 4-step inhale, 4-step exhale, 3 minutes, no more. Teeth gently together as well, so you might feel a little stretch in the throat. And inhale deep and hold the breath. Bring your head back even a little further if you can. Pull on the pelvic floor. Press down on your top hand. Resist with your bottom hand. And exhale. And bring the hand down and gently flex your neck back the other way. So tuck your chin in. Relax your shoulders. Just a counter pose. And just enjoy the feeling of elevation and lightness in the body. Three minutes, change your perspective on life and feel grateful for all that you have. Sat Nam.